We're heading up the mountain to Chuzenji, and it's a zigzag road, and there are 20 turns up and 20 down, naturally. Each turn is numbered. Here's turn number 3. Number 4. I am not going to video all 20 going up.
But before they reach the waterfall,
Here's the tour gate.
They have to go to the other side so they can have a good view of the mountain.
And there's the lake. And Steve and I are going to be back here in October, late October, early November, believe it or not, to do some hiking in this area plus some other areas of Japan. The paths and trails are endless. You can see many hikers setting off on the trails. Many people come to Lake Chuzenji to fish. Lots of trout.
The size of the catch.
And because we're up so high here, about 6,000 feet above sea level, the sakura are just blooming.
Student bus.
Student buses. It's a temple up there, but it's not particularly famous. Kegon Falls has a drop of 97 meters in one of Japan's 3 famous waterfalls. And there it is, Kegon Waterfalls. If you want to see one of the other 3 famous waterfalls in Japan, then you have to go back to my Kimono Kodo trek when we went to Nachi Tashi or Nachi-san or Nachi, whatever it was called, Nachi Tashi.
Yep.
All the gorgeous sakura or cherry trees up here on the mountain. What power. Because we're so much higher, the blossoms are just starting to fall on these trees, and they're so beautiful.